stand thing, yeah. I tried to do it with a 10 socket and it snapped, and then we got...
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Yo, what's happening, guys? It's your boy GROMSKI. Welcome back to another one. This video is going to be a how-to decat your KTM DUKE 890R 21 plate, brand spanking new. We're going to take this bad boy apart, and this time we're going to actually try and show you how to do it properly, and not like the MT-07 how to swap handlebars. By the way, I'm swapping my bars next, so that's going to be another video coming out soon. So yeah, we're going to get the tools out and start unscrewing stuff, so I'll see you on the floor. So we've got a Black Widow decat link pipe. Instructions. The first thing that we got to do is we got to remove the Oem Silencer by undoing the main mounting bolt, image 1, which is this one here. And then the next one, it's saying to undo this one here for step 1 and 2. Satisfaction. Alright, unscrew this. When you unscrew this, it won't unscrew fully, so you've got to like pull it out. We were just struggling with this. Undo this clamp here. By the way, it's a different size. You have to go one down on the size. Keep this to the side because we're going to be reusing them for the link pipe, which is here. And I just realised I haven't showed you it yet. Look at that. Nice. Once we're done, we're going to bust a little B-roll about the bike, and before this was actually put on, so we're going to have to record more B-roll because we didn't do that yet, with this being actually on. Take off the exhaust. I know it's heavy. Look, anyone do? Unscrew this bottom one. This is going to be a little bit hard because that's where it really gets hot. Fantastic noise. And put it to the side and keep it because obviously, like the other one, I'm going to be reusing it. Now, step 3, with the silencer and both cat box clamps removed, the 3 cat box mounting bolts need to be removed. One is being held on the right hand side, rider's footrest bracket. We recommend moving the footrest bracket out of the way to help with removal and replacement of the bolt. We're going to try without, it's this one here on the frame, the orange bit is here on the left. So let's see if that actually, yep, we don't need to move out of the way. Left side of the bike now, same thing apparently. Where's the instructions? Okay, cool. It's this one here, just above the chain. There you go. Fucking hell. Ta-da. And unscrew. These cunts are long. Oh, preload. Nice. Need to add that to the B-roll. Be careful for the washer. Might as well take it out before you lose it. So now we got to unscrew the front sprocket cover, which is this bit here. 1, 2, and 3, just underneath the gear shifter. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, by the way, it's a different size again. We've unscrewed it and it's not gonna come out, and I don't want to bend no plastic, so we're gonna unscrew the gear shifter bit here. Don't worry, that aligns it. This moves freely, so you can unscrew this and just go and take it out and go put it back in. It'll be fine. So we unscrewed it. See, that's all it does. Put it to the side here. This don't move, so your placement of the gear shifter just go back into place. Take it out, slide it out, boom. Really dirty, so you probably want to clean it in here now. And that's the front sprocket. So now, where is the last mounting point? So the last mounting point is literally under the chain. You got the bottom rear set bolt, you got the chain, and it's in there. So after you've removed that bolt there behind the chain, you have to go and remove this bolt underneath behind the foot stand thing, yeah. I tried to do it with a 10 socket and it snapped, and then we got more of these that too small. Got hella screwdrivers. It's on top of here so we can take the rear set off. And then I decided to just check this bolt. This bolt comes off. Yeah, we've unscrewed it. Yeah. Slide your stand out, and it's that bolt in there. I'm gonna grab the camera. Oop. Right, bear with me. It's too dark. It's that bolt in there. So after removing this bolt and the bolt behind the chain, move the stand down, and then that bolt there, and then the cat just drops down. All right, time to wiggle this fat boy out. If it's that easy. So we've got to loosen the headers first to give that little bit of free play, because the cat is holding on, and guess what? Can't even reach it. Hi, I'm down here. So after loosening the headers, pull the header pipe away from the cat, and then it falls down.
God damn, she's thick.
Should have recorded that. Cool. So we got this fire gun. Exhaust assembly paste, resistant vibration, permanent seal guaranteed. Problem solved. Didn't have a problem apart from getting a fucking cat off. So cool. It mounts on the right side where the brake is. There you go. Comes up like here. That's the disc, and it mounts in this first bolt that we unscrewed behind the rear set. Yeah. No. Connect. Oh wait. Paste and that is last. Read the instructions. Remove all rust and loose matter from the metal surface. Apply hot fire gun straight from the tube lubrication socket, pipes and clamps. Fit separate parts together and tighten up. Okay, cool. So it don't smell like anything. I might have COVID. Put it in here or in there?
Probably a bit on both.
No, there's barely anything in here. Shh. People are working. Okay, fuck it. Just put it on here, it'll be enough. You want to zoom in?
I don't think you put a lot. You just rub it on the...
Rub it on a edge.
Give that meat a good old rub.
I'm gonna get roasted. I'm lubing up the hole.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll just do it on one side. There's plenty in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to find something to wipe myself. When you finish, always wipe. Alright. Clamps on like this so I don't have to worry. Put it on. Alright. Like this.
Well, we have to move the headers forward now. Back forward again, remember?
Yeah, but
oh, you're scratching the frame. No. No.
are you sure this is the right part?
You just have to angle it.
That's what I'm doing, my friend. That is not going in.
You have to put the clamp over the top, you know that, right? It doesn't just go in.
Yeah, but it should slip on now.
Nah. That's what that clamp does. Yeah, it's something like that. Just align the hole and should be good.
So it doesn't move so much. Alright guys, we managed to get the clamp on. It's very fidgety. And the paste is inside there. So now we're gonna screw it up and then get the Canon. Alright, we've tightened this screw up. This is all a tight-ish, still got a wiggle to it. Gonna put the paste onto here to connect the can. And then screw this in and screw the clamp on. And then go back and trace your steps and screw everything back on and just tighten it properly. And we're basically done. So we'll just get a couple of more shots of me tighten everything back on, and then I'll basically say thanks for watching, hope this helps, and then we'll roll the B-roll. Alright, time to put it back on. Got the paste. Oh, be careful, this spacer keeps coming out. It's really annoying. Just gotta wiggle it in. Oh, this one's come out. There you go. That's in there. And just so we're not struggling, put this in there so it doesn't fall out. This is in. Now put the clamp on. Make sure we do it like this. Yeah. Clamp goes on like this. This is the hook. This needs to go on first. Then hook it from the back. Boom. Align it so you have access to it. Get the screw, this should be fine. Screw this on. And my cameraman's belly's rumbling like crazy. He's making me hungry. Bam, bam, bam. Screw, 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 screw. Need to make this smaller. At least this clamp was easier than the one on the bottom. The one on the bottom was a nightmare. Alright, we've tightened up the clamps, both of them, and this bit here. So now we've got to come back to the headers and tighten that up. Then go back to the other side and put on the sprocket cover. And do we need to put, I don't know if, do we need to put the old bolts back in? Ain't gonna fall out? Because they ain't, I know they're not. Oh, they might actually. Because the grips, the thread is on the cap, I can see.
I'll keep them in my pocket.
Keep them in your pocket, yeah. We'll get to that in a second. We're just gonna tighten up the headers now. Won't be able to see anything, to be honest, because it's all behind the radiator. Alright, we got the kickstand on properly, and now just 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 bolts to get the cover back on, which is here. Da-da-da. Goes on like this. Come on. There you go. No? I need 2 hands. Cameraman. There you go. Boom. 1, 2, 3. And we're done. Push it out of the garage and we'll get a startup recorded in just a moment. Alright guys, the sprocket cover's on. I'm going to take it outside and see how she rolls. Alright, first startup with Decat.
Time to roll the B-roll. Check this bike out.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop, I won't stop, no.